Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create webflow account. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you gotta just go ahead and try to find the button that allows you to sign up with webflow, okay? And look for sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, right? And then enter your information. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and possibly provide your name. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account by clicking the sign up with Google account button. And then after submitting your information, webflow may ask you to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for verification email and click the link to verify your account, and then complete your profile. Once your email is confirmed, you might be asked to complete your profile by providing additional information related to your skills and interests. And then webflow offers different plans, including a free starter plan. You can select a plan based on your needs, okay? And after setting up your account, you can start creating projects and exploring the platform. And then if you encounter any issues during the sign up process, refer to webflow help center for additional assistance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.